Hey students and friends, do you know I have a wonderful hobby of philately? Do you know what is philately? Philately means collection of stamps. Yes, I do collect stamps from my very childhood. Even I don't remember from when I collect. Actually, when I was in standard 2, I went for an exhibition where I displayed my stamps and of course I won a prize. I will show you my certificate of the stamp collection. In this video, I am going to show you various types of stamps that I used to collect from a long time from my childhood. Still today, whenever I get a scope or I see a stamp laying on an envelope affixed on the table of the school principal sir, I quickly ask him whether he wants that stamp or not. And then I quickly just take it out and come home and follow the procedure whatever is required to paste it on my stamp book. Let's show you my stamp collection album. So here is my stamp collection album. I have two albums over here. One is very old, that is I used to collect the stamp from my childhood till the college days, and after that for a long time I had no time, or rather you can say I had missed this hobby for a long time due to various type of a busy schedule of my life. And then I again started collecting my stamp when my daughter was a bit older, nearly 7 years, and then again I had to make another stamp album because it was all full with stamps. So I don't have any specific type of stamp that I used to collect. Whatever type of stamp I get, I used to collect it, whether it may be related to transport, whether related to some great personalities, or whether related to some type of ventures, or you can see various days, of course, the occasions or the various type of celebrations, okay, all over the world, the different type of monuments. You can see in the stamp collection book I have different type of sports activity over here shown. Yes, now you see here this is the first video for you. In the upcoming video I will of course show you various type of other related activities and how to preserve the stamps that I will show you. Even I will make another video to make you understand about the fake stamps, how you will identify fake stamps. Yes, there are some people who share stamps. Even I have a Facebook, I follow a Facebook page where people even exchange stamps. Yes, you can exchange stamps with anybody. Even you can exchange with me if you are fond of collecting stamps. You can see here I have some stamp collections of flowers, fruits, some animals and birds. Now let me show you some of the stamps from different countries. Okay, so just watch it. Can you see it is written 20p, means paise. Yes, during that time 20 paise was also valued. Even do you know I have used 5 paise in my childhood to buy some chocolates. Yes, 5 paise. Even 2 paise, 3 paise, that also I have a collection. I will show some other day. These coins were also used long back. You see here. Actually, if I sit with my whole stamp book, it will take a long time to show you. You can see this page is about games, Olympics. Okay, all Olympics game. You see, these are also staffa, Scotland, stamp of Scotland. This is a stamp of Nepal. Can you understand this figure? What is this figure about? Guess and find out. Okay, Cuba, stamp from Cuba. You see, Dufar. Can you see what is this? Okay, staffa again. You see Indian stamp, Polska, Poland. Okay, full stamp from Mongolia. You see, this is Mongolian stamp. So small family, happy family. Family planning stamp of 1 rupee, 100 paise. There is a 75 paise stamp. That means 5 paise was also used that day. Small family, happy family of 75 paise. Okay, I want to tell you something about these two stamps. Do you know these stamps are available in Amazon? Currently this stamp is unavailable. in Amazon. If you buy this stamp in Amazon, 4 stamps cost rupees 200. Imagine, I had collected a long back. At that time the price was 1 rupee. Now 4 stamps, 2 pairs cost rupees 200. It is currently unavailable, and this stamp is a bit it is also 75 paise stamp. It is available in the Amazon, just I have checked it out. It's a long back stamp, nearly it is after independence. I don't know the year actually, it is not printed here. Okay, you can see the stamp from somewhere it has come. Okay, so there is a postage stamp over it. There is a post office has put a stamp over it, because it is used stamp. The more the stamp is valuable, if you see there is a postage stamp, or it is a stamp on the post office, seal is there over it. So if you find a seal over a stamp, it is more expensive or valuable. There is a wonderful story from this stamp, behind this stamp. I once remember this stamp was given by one of my school friend. I hope I was at that time in class 7 or 8. I used to exchange stamp with that person. I don't even remember the name now. So he has given me the stamp, and in school I kept this stamp in the pocket of my skirt, and I forgot. And you can see the condition of the stamp. It was washed, the skirt was washed, and then I remembered and I took out the stamp. Once after giving the stamp, I have seen that the name of the country written is Venezuela. So it's totally messed up, but you can see the name of the country I have written here, because I should not forget it. So you can see how old is this stamp, isn't it? There, every stamp says a story from behind every stamp. I remember, okay, this stamp is very unique. It's a very old stamp. You see some Indian people are sitting, the village people are sitting, the stamp of 2 paise. 2 paise, yes. Here I have 4 stamps of Gautam Buddha. You see the large ones. This page is one of my favorite page in my stamp album. I love this stamp so much. See, this is the stamp from United Arab Emirates. Okay, and this is from Canada. See these stamps, yes, you can see it is written Union of Burma. Can you see? It's written Burma, Union of Burma. Yes, Myanmar was previously known as the Union of Burma. 18 July 1989, the Union of Burma was changed into the Union of Myanmar. You see this stamp is of 15 paise. Yes, 15 paise worth. Okay, here I have 4 stamps of this Gautam one Buddha. Is a pulse polio stamp. You see the large ones. This page is one of my favorite page in my stamp album. I love this stamp so much. This is a pulse polio program stamp. It is of Indian. It is an Indian stamp. See, it is written polio immunization. Okay, 3 rupees stamp, 300 paise. This 15 paise stamp. 15 paise. Can you imagine these days? This is a very, very old stamp. Even you cannot see it properly. What is the image? Well, let me show you. Do you know, I tried to find out this stamp in Google. What is this image actually? See, there is a lady. Okay, she is plucking tea. The tea plucking stamp of India in the year 1965, 67, 69. This year I just googled it. It's about 1967 or 69. Is before my birth. Even nearly 10 years before my birth, this stamp is. It was collected by my father. Okay. Now the cost of this one stamp is 90 rupees in Amazon. Yes. Well, this is Australian stamp. See, this is a stamp from Australia. This stamp is from Cuba. The date is written 1984. You can see it's a dolphin. Well, another stamp I am showing you, it is from the Republic du Mali, means it is from Mali. There are 2 stamps from Bangladesh. You can see one stamp of tiger. Here is another stamp from Czechoslovakia. It is a very old stamp. The year I can't see here. Even there are stamps you can see from KSA. What is this KSA? KSA means the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay. So next I am showing you Grenada stamp. You can see there is another stamp from a very old stamp of India about family planning. You see the family planning stamp. Well, this entire page is about family planning. This stamp of India, what is written in Hindi here, you can see Bharat mein Soviet Sangh Mahotsav, means this the stamp of 80s. Okay, can you see the date? 1987. During the 80s, India and USSR, the former USSR, now it is Russia, Soviet Union was the name thereafter at that time. Now it is been converted into many small countries. Now that time during the 80s, India and Russia had a very good bond. They were good friends, friendly countries, and during this time you see there were cultural exchange of thoughts between India and Russia. So it is a symbol. This stamp is a symbol of that friendly attitude, okay, of these two countries. Finally, I want to end it here. I hope you are just tired of looking into my stamp collection album and might be thinking that what the hell is all about. But you see, really it is this philately is a hobby of the king's hobby, you can say. Anybody who is interested in stamp collection, please don't stop your hobby and let it go like that. Continue your hobby. Having hobbies is very good for any person. I do not only collect stamp but also collect coins, but not that much as that of the stamps. Even I have a very good hobby of gardening. So hobbies should be there in every person. Being a teacher, I would recommend you or request you children to keep hobbies, okay, good hobbies that will help you. So finally, this is all about my video. In the upcoming video, I will try to explain you about the fake stamps so that you don't get cheated. So thanks for watching this video with patience. Thank you once again. Bye.